How to replace the sway bar end link in your Impala SS and Caprice, Buick RoadMaster, and Cadillac Fleetwood. I am Stephen Wimberly, and this is Working with Wimberly. So I'm going to replace the sway bar end link. It's pretty simple. There's a long bolt that goes through from the bottom, comes up here, and then there's a nut on top. I'm going to use a 13mm wrench at the top to hold the nut, and the 13mm socket at the bottom to undo the bolt. There are a lot of threads on this bolt, so take your time, just keep at it, eventually it'll come off. The new end link bolts in from the bottom, so we'll have a washer, a bushing, then it'll go through the lower control arm, then it'll be another bushing, another washer, then there's a sleeve here, then it goes another washer with the next bushing, then it'll go through the sway bar here, then another bushing, another washer, and then the nut. So I'm going to get this installed. So with one washer and one bushing already on the bolt, you slide it through the lower control arm and install another bushing with another washer. Then install the sleeve and push it down. Now you'll install another washer and another bushing. And now I'm using a pry bar to align the sway bar with the lower control arm. Once I have it lined up, I'm going to tap it with a hammer just to drive the bolt all the way through. Once the bolt is through, I'll install another bushing, another washer, finally the nut. Use a 14mm socket and wrench to tighten the end link. This job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.